Hello guys, shout out. I'm Cecil Bilbao 40. Ang inyong lingkod, ang inyong taga-upload. Kung ano magustuhan nyo dyan guys. Oh. Sinasabi guys ng iba, mahal na ngayon. Everything is so expensive. But only the girl is very cheap. I don't know. I don't know. But I don't know this is real or no. Everything is higher. The things or what do you want to buy expensive. Just only kidding you guys, okay? Okay. Ay, so cake mo. Okay. Yes, and even there, it's nice. Too much food here. Yes. Okay, now this is, I think this is enough na guys, no? This is 45.3. I want to buy one. Okay, I want to buy only one. Only one, this one guys, 25. Because you know, we have already two. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. God bless everyone. Let's go. I have so much to buy guys, no? And then here, I think it's so very cheap. I don't know guys, this is true. This is just only joking guys, the reality or the truth. Oh my gosh, this is so expensive guys. Look at that. How much you buy is 38. Oh, it's everything in here guys. My God. Ang dami guys. Ang daming mga bilihin. Ayan, papakita ko sa inyo. Ayan guys, nakikita nyo ba yan guys? Oh. Ready to eat na yan guys. Kaya kung gusto nyo guys bumili, pumunta na kayo dito guys. Marami nang mumurahin dito. Pero masarap, napakasarap, tingnan nyo. Jesus, oh. Ay grabe, napaka ano talaga ngayon ang mga pagkain dito guys. Ayan oh. Jesus, grabe te. Ay, chicken. Ayan yung chicken. How much? The chicken is 98 guys. My goodness. This is reality. How much this? Is this real? Oh, how much this? Roasted chicken fillet with herbs. 66 chicken. Oh. Tingnan nyo to guys. So, ayun para sa taas guys. Ang tag 20 ito. Murang-mura. Grabe. Roasted black pepper chicken. 25 each. The legs. Okay. So very expensive. But guys. Ay, nako guys. Nagugutom ng inyong lingkod dito. Ay, nako. Naginutom na tayo dito guys, no? Alam nyo guys, ang sarap talaga guys. No? Ang grabe talaga. I can't believe here guys. So expensive and so very lot. Okay. Ano yan, no? Kaya gusto nyo guys yung ano guys, ito this is not cook. If you want to cook, you can buy here guys. Oh, everything. Grabe talagang prutas dito guys. Ayan oh. Okay, mamasyal na naman tayo guys. I've just you roving here. Pasyal you here. Make you run away. Or if you want to run away, you run away guys. You need to run away, you can run. Pasensya lang dyan sa mga tamaan ng ating mga camera, no? Grabe, ang dami ting. Nagmahal na lahat ba? Everything is so expensive now guys. Okay na yan guys. Madami na yan. Pwede na tayo guys makaano guys. Light soy sauce, kitchen tissue, light soy sauce, grapes, oil, grapes, orange, fruits, powder, milk. You need to buy a manga. I don't know. Where is the manga, ha? Oleng. This is fruits, guys. Yes, everything is fruits. Ayan. Ah! Okay, guys. Magbabayad na tayo sa ano, guys. Wala na dyan, guys. Ay. Yung orange na, sir. Ay. Damihan ko na lang to, guys. Kasi may tatlo na tayo kanina. 25 daw yung ano. Kasi minsan, ano yan, guys. Alam nyo, guys, ganito nyo siya, guys. So, na parang itlog. Ang parang mamahal bang ano siya, guys. Mabigat. Ay, parang hindi naman ito mabigat na ngayon, guys. Parang ang lambot. Ito. Heavy is like too much juice inside. If not, heavy is like that. It's like that. Okay, shout out everyone. Shout out sa ating lahat, no? This one is from Blueberry Tube. Grabe, guys, ang dami ditong ano. Ayun, guys, oh. Tingnan natin, baka may hindi na to kasya yung ating budget dito, guys, no? Ay, guys. Ayan, ang sarap-sarap, guys. Tingnan mo siya naman, oh. May mga tawag nito, guys, durian. Hindi talaga nauubos yung durian, guys. Ang dami talagang puno ng durian. At saka may ready to eat na sila kasi it's already open. They can, if you want to eat now, you have already opened. Okay. I don't know where come from. Thailand. Wow, it's so yummy, the smell. Some people don't like the smell of durian, but it's good. Durian is a very good, guys. Okay. Okay, guys. Hello, Preko. Magbabayad na tayo. Okay. Magbabayad na tayo, guys, na. Kasi tingnan natin kung kasya yung money natin dito, guys. Pag hindi kasya, wala tayong magawa, guys. Baka more than na ito, million, guys. 500 lang to binigay sa atin, guys, eh. $500. We will check it how much. Alam nyo naman, tayo ay parang tao. Ay, parang tao. 3, 4. Alam nyo, guys, tingnan lang natin kung magkano na to, guys, no? Okay, hello. Tingnan natin to kung magkano to, guys. Alam nyo naman. Tingnan natin kung kasya yung money natin dyan. Kung hindi kasya, ibalik natin, you know. Okay. We have, what's this? Ayan na yan natin, guys. Ayan na. Okay, thank you so much for watching. God bless. Okay, guys. Dito na tayo. Magbabayad na.